everybody, my name is Mel. Today I talk about recording. Who that mean he loved a lot. His name Peter. He always laughing. That night, yes, he is very funny. Who the man with the black mustache? That Jim looked at the dust cake on his bed. Yes, he always hungry. What that woman doing? I think she makes soup. She went to put the vegetable in it. That Daisy. Is she good at cooking? Yes, she is. The woman with the curly white hair ready night. Do you make off on the recipe? Yes. What her name? Again. That person lives opposite us. The woman is carrying the ball. Yes, she putting the ball on the table. She got Sally. Oh, how about going and take to her? Yes, let's do that now. Would you like some nail cut for your birthday? No, thank Mom. What would you like? Then my friend got nail computer game. Can I have one of those? A computer game? Okay. What the name of the computer game? Is the zoo. Oh, that's not right. It's jungle. It's young. It's the jungle. Yes, yes, you have to feed the animal with the heating. It's great. It's a good game for children. Are you yes, it say on the box. It's for ages 8 to 30. 30? No, 30. But you can play it too, Mom. Where can I buy it? At the computer shop in town. I get the Game Grump. Sorry, Game Grump. Oh, I found it near my favorite cafe. That's right. And what do you do on birthday? Can I even came to our house? Kim who smile you SMETH. Oh yes, that's fine. And Mom, yes, please can I have a birthday cake? Yes, I can make one for you. Great, with picture a kangaroo on it.